Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign in into the online banking account of National Australia Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a nab.com.au and press enter. You will be directed to the official webpage of National Australia Bank. Here you can see the option of login on top right side of the screen. You need to click on login. Before that, you need to click on the drop down menu. Then you need to go in for choosing the internet banking. Here you will see the login form page where you need to provide your NAB ID. Then you go in for providing your password. Here, after you provide both the details, you click on login where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of National Australia Bank. Just in case if you forgot your user ID or password of the online banking account of National Australia Bank, you need to click on the link given, that is forgot your NAB ID or password. Once you click on it, you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to have your NAB ID or password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the online banking account of National Australia Bank. Thank you.